gosh, are you guys seeing my hair right now? For today's curly hair routine, we are going to be trying KeraCare. I'm so excited. So this is their CurlEssence line. It's very moisturizing and I'm really excited because as you can see, my hair is dry, very dry. So we are gonna fix that today. First things first, we are gonna go in with this cocoa water. So this is a moisturizing cocoa water with Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. That sounds super moisturizing. It's water, but better. And that's exactly what we need. I've always wanted to try one of these. So let's go ahead and give it a little shake. Oh my gosh. It smells amazing. It smells like I'm on a tropical vacation. Oh my god, I love when the hair products smell good. I love the mist as well. So I'm just gonna go ahead and wet my entire hair with this cocoa water. Okay, I have a lot of hair, so once my hair is fully wet, we will be right back. Okay, I think the hair is fully wet now. I love the smell of that. For styling products, we have the moisturizing curly cream and we also have the moisturizing curly gel. So first, I'm gonna go in with this curly cream. She is thick. All of these products smell amazing so far. So this also has Jamaican black castor oil and coconut oil. Okay, it says apply in small sections from root to end. I'm gonna grab a little bit of it. I love the consistency of it. It's kind of like a jelly. Okay, we're gonna put that all over our hair. I always love to rake in all of my products, so that's what we're gonna do. Okay, now let's do a little bit on the other side. And we're just gonna continue raking that in. Add a little bit of more. Now I'm gonna add a little bit more of this cocoa water. The key is you want your hair to be very, very wet. Now we are gonna go in with the curly jelly. Oh, she is like really, do you guys see this? Oh my god, this smells like heaven. Oh my god, I want to eat it. Look at it. Oh my gosh, it's like super, super. I love when gels are like this. I'm just gonna grab a little bit of that and we are gonna do the same thing. We are gonna rake the product in. And I'm not really sectioning my hair. I just have it split in half because I like more of volume than definition. Whenever I section my hair into multiple sections, I feel like I don't get as much volume, but I get more definition. So far, I'm obsessed with the curling jelly and I always rake away from my head like this. Okay, water again. Okay, we cannot forget the heat protectant because I'm gonna be diffusing my hair. So we have the Thermal Wonder heat protectant. So this is a 6-in-1 thermal protector. It's a detangler, a heat protectant, a cuticle sealant, a shine enhancer, humidity guard, and moisture. Put this on my hair right now. We need this on my hair right now. Ooh. Oh my gosh, all of these products smell so amazing. This literally smells like a perfume. Oh wow, I can tell like the shine it gives. Okay, now after we put this, I'm gonna go ahead and flip my hair and just scrunch. We're gonna scrunch a lot. Okay, we are ready to diffuse. I'm gonna diffuse my hair. I'll show a little bit of clips, but this takes a really long time. I'm gonna speed this part up. Okay, so my hair is still not 100% dry, but it will do for now. It's been a really long time and I'm tired, so let's continue. So then we have the KeraCare Styling Wax Stick. This is super interesting to me and I'm obsessed with it because it's like a stick. It says apply the stick directly on your hair or rub a small amount of wax between fingertips and apply on ends. Ooh, okay, let's open it. Oh my gosh, not me smelling everything. Oh, you like push it and then it comes out from the top. Oh my god, I'm obsessed with that. Okay, I think I'm gonna do the finger version and just put a little bit on my fingers. I'm just gonna scrunch the bottom ends of my hair with it. and shake. I am so obsessed with the hair. Now I'm just gonna go in and separate any big curl clumps that they are. Oh my gosh, are you guys seeing my hair right now? Do you guys remember in the beginning when I said I didn't want definition? I feel like it gave me so much volume but kept that definition, which I love. You guys, I am so obsessed with the final results. These might have to be my new favorite products because I'm obsessed with the definition, the shine, the volume. Everything is there, and my hair is still a little bit wet, so I can't even imagine when it's 100% dry how pretty it would look. Let's do a little back shot. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to be tagging all these products below in case you guys are interested in getting you some.